Welcome to your dream coastal retreat, just seconds from the Currituck Sound and surrounded by stunning water views. This custom-built cedar shake home was completed in 2023 and offers timeless craftsmanship with modern luxury across 3 beautifully designed levels. With 140 feet of bulkheaded shoreline, a private boathouse, a dock, boat launch, and a fenced backyard. With a custom brick fire pit, outdoor living here is truly elevated. Multiple porches, including this one, give you panoramic views and peaceful places to unwind. And yes, there's even a 4th level observation deck that will blow your mind. Inside, you'll find maple wood floors, sleek finishes, and a designer kitchen with stainless steel countertops, maple cabinetry, and a professional Blue Star stove. Anderson windows flood the space with light, and the stone-soaked fireplace adds warmth and charm. Upstairs, the primary suite offers breathtaking water views, private deck access, and a spa-like bath with custom tile work. Across the hall is another ensuite bedroom, and downstairs, a 3rd private suite with its own entrance, perfect for guests, multi-generational living, or even a home office. With Sonos sound throughout, a garage elevator lift, outdoor shower, and more, this home is as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you're launching a kayak or watching the sunset, this property delivers coastal living at its finest. Come experience it for yourself. I would love to show you around. For more information, please give me a call, and don't forget, please like and subscribe below for more 411 on the Outer Banks. Thank you for joining.